Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3. Welcome to Sad Educare. We are starting Unit 8 Time 8.1. Here is some example. First we have to know what is this. Write these times in words. Here is 4:2. This 4:2 can be written in words as 2 minutes past 4. Already 2 minutes gone. Similar, 5:12 can be written in words as 12 minutes past 5. Same, 8:30 can be written in words as half past 8 or 30 minutes past 8. It means 30 minutes gone. Now our focus. Write these times in words. 6:1 can be written in words as 1 minute past 6. Same, 3:30, we can say two ways. One, 30 minutes past 3 or half past 3. These three you can write 3. Okay, next 12:14 can be written in words as 14 minutes past 12. And finally 8:45 can be written in words 15 minutes to 9. It means we need 15 minutes to go 9, or we can say 45 minutes past 8, or we also can say quarter to 9. So first one, or it means focus 1 done. Next, write these times in digital form. Half past 8, it means 8. Half past, it means 30 minutes. This is 30 minutes past 8. It means like this. 8:30 can be right half past 8 or 30 minutes past 8. Same, 34 minutes past 2. It means 2 and 34 minutes. 4 o'clock. This is like 42 minutes past 6. It means 6 and 42 minutes. Fill in the empty digital clock. Here is in hour stick 1 and minute stick 4. It means 4 times 5 equals to 20. It means 20 minutes past 1. It means 1 and 20 minutes. This one we can say like 20 minutes past 1. Next, this is not exact in 1, it means not 5, it's in 4. So we can say 12:04. It means 4 minutes past 12. This is in 2 and it's 40. It means 41. We can say 41 minutes past 2, or we can say 19 minutes to 2. So number 2 and number 3 done. This is very important. Now draw the hands on the clocks to show the correct time. 1, it means it's a, we can write, this is hour, and 35, this is 35. 6:54, 6, so it's 54. It means this is 55 and here is 54. this is 54, and this is almost near about 7. 428, 428, so it's a 55 times 5, 25, and this is 30, this is 28, so like this. 1044, 10, and this is 40, 45, this is, so here is 44. Write 3 digital times that come between the times shown. So here is 48 minutes past 7, and here is 12 minutes past 9. So we can say 0800, it means now 8 o'clock, and next we can say like 900, it's a between 7:48 to 9:12, and finally also we can say, or if you want you can write like here is 8, and this is 4, and now 900. This is all are in between 7:48 to 9:12. Draw the hands on the analog clock to match digital times. 10:27, so this is 10, 10, then 27, 27, this is 25, 26, 27, it means here. Now 2:40, 54, 2 and 54, this is 55, just one stick before. 7:19, this is 7, and this is 19. 11:07, this is 11 and 7, it means this is 1 means 5, then 6, 7. Okay, so very simple. Now complete this sentence. This one we can write 45 minutes past 3. Next, a quarter to 2 can be written as a quarter to 2. It means it's a 1:45. A quarter to 11 can be written as quarter to 11. It means 15 minutes need to go 11. It means 10:45. 10:15 can be written as, we can say a quarter past, quarter past 10. 1:45 is the same as quarter to, it's a quarter to 2. Okay, so Dimby looks at her digital watch and see that each time is 1 higher than the number to its left. Find 3 different times that she might see. So suppose we can say like 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is higher than 2 and 2 is higher than 1. This one we can say like 23 23 past 1. Okay, same thing we can write like 12:34. 4 is higher than 3, 3 is higher than 2, and 2 is higher than 1. So this one is 34 past 12, right? And same thing like 0, 4, 5. 5 is higher than 4 and 4 is higher than 1. So this one we can write a quarter. A quarter to 2. Okay, now write any time that comes between the two times shown. (1:11) and 11:37. So write any time that comes between two time as shown. So in between, from here to here, which number we can say? Like here is a 1:11 and here is a 11:37. So we can write like 7:30. It's a between 1:11 and 11:30. Same thing, 2 and 2:30, we can write 2:15. Very simple. And here is also same thing, 7:1 and 7:32. Suppose we can write 7:30. 9:30 to 10:30, we can write 9:45. It's a between this number. Draw hands on analog clock and write on the digital clock that time you get up in the morning, like 6:30. It means 6, or 6:30 is looking, we can write 15. So 6 and 15. Okay, same, draw hands on the analog clock and write on the digital clock that time you go to bed. It means at night, like we can say 11:30. We can say this is 11:30. Okay, so thank you very much. You are long time with me. By this part, by this math, we are trying to solve unit 8, which is time. So please subscribe my channel, which is Sad Educare. From now, every 2 days, I'm trying to solve Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3. And also, my request, subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Thank you.